Let's take a closer look at this blade. This is the USAWIN 6-inch Carbide Reciprocating saw blade, designed for one job: cutting through thick metal. We're talking cast iron, stainless steel, and other stubborn hard metals. Its strength comes from its build, a tough metal body paired with hard carbide teeth. That's where the real durability lives. Built tough, cut faster, last longer. This blade is ready to work. Compared to regular bimetal blades, carbide handles harder metals and heat a lot better, especially during longer cuts where cheaper blades tend to dull fast or even snap. It runs an 8 TPI tooth pattern with about a 3mm tooth pitch, so you get a nice balance. It's been not overly aggressive, but it doesn't feel slow either. Just steady, controlled cutting that works really well for DIY projects, home workshops, and semi-pre-use. In terms of size, the blade has a total length of 152mm with a working length of 112mm. That shorter length gives you excellent control, especially in tight spaces where longer blades can feel awkward or hard to manage. The blade is also 24mm wide and 1.25mm thick, which helps keep it stable in the cut without making it feel stiff or bulky. So overall, this blade is a solid upgrade if you've gone through cheaper metal blades before and want something that lasts longer. Alright, now let's take a look at its bigger brother. This is the USAWIN 9-inch Carbide Reciprocating saw blade from the same lineup, just built for longer and heavier cuts. Just like the 6-inch version, it uses carbide teeth with brazed-on alloy carbide, so you're getting the same durability and heat resistance when cutting thick metal, cast iron, and alloy steel. It when still running an 8 TPI tooth pattern with about a 3mm tooth pitch, which keeps the cutting speed steady and controlled without being too aggressive. So performance-wise, it's very much the same blade family. Same cutting feel, same reliability. Where this one really stands out is the size. The blade has a total length of 228mm with a working length of 188mm, giving you noticeably more reach. That extra length makes a big difference when you're cutting thicker materials, stacked metal, or longer straight sections without having to constantly reposition the saw. Just like the smaller blade, it's 24mm wide and 1.25mm thick, so it stays stable in the cut while still being easy to control. If the 6-inch blade is your go-to for tight spaces and controlled cuts, the 9-inch version is what you grab when the job gets bigger and tougher. Same blade concept, same carbide performance, just more reach and more versatility for heavier cutting tasks.